from where, as the Marathi Vijay Divas pictures of the estranged cousins, almost after 2 decades, are now seen to be sharing stage. Nilesh, over to you. The pictures coming in from Worli.
उत्सुक आहोत. मी विनंती करतो माननीय श्री राजसाहेब ठाकरे यांना की त्यांनी आपलं मनोगत व्यक्त करावं.
Check. That could be heard, and on stage Uddhav and Raj Thackeray, divided by politics, united by Marathi. As you can see, both of them sharing that camaraderie, Nilesh, on stage amongst loud cheers that seems to be going across from the people who have been wanting the two cousins to share the stage.
Absolutely, and these are the slogans that is also being heard here on ground. You can see a huge number of people, thousands. I'd like to highlight the capacity of this Worli Dome is of 5,000 sitting capacity, but it is being flooded outside as well. People in huge numbers have gathered here to somewhat boost the alliance of their leaders. We can see women wearing t-shirt with slogans reading that we are proud of being Marathi, and we have come together to join what Maharashtra for long has been waiting for. You can see the t-shirt reading that we are together for the language of Marathi. However, it is also important to highlight that soon BMC elections are around the corner, and this could also be one of the aspects that these two leaders have assembled. Now, what exactly led to this protest or assembly? You can see women celebrating here by dancing together. Both are from different parties but are joining hands together to celebrate. Now, what the leaders have been stated that it was the current regime, the state government, which was against Marathi, Manus, and which is why Hindi opposition was being done. Now, this was followed by a GIA that was released in the month of April, which was later on amended on 17th of July and later 17th of June, and was later withdrawn after the pressure which was raised by Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray, and which is why it is seen as a big victory for both the leaders. We'll try to speak to these women who have gathered here to celebrate. ताई, आप बताएं कितनी खुशी होगी आपके लिए आज?
हमें बहुत ज्यादा खुशी है कि हम मराठी हैं। हमें बहुत ज्यादा खुशी है।
दोनों भाइयों के साथ आने की खुशी है।
बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत थी और वो आए हैं। मी मराठी, मराठी माझी संस्कृती, मराठी माझी भाषा, मी महाराष्ट्राची आणि हा महाराष्ट्र माझा.
Supporters of both UBT faction and of MNS are hailing the brothers coming together on stage. Nilesh, Raj Thackeray is speaking. If you can quickly help us translate what he is saying on stage.
परंतु आता काय स्क्रीनवरती आठवा. मी माझ्या मुलाखतीमध्ये एक म्हटलं होतं की ज्याच्यातनं या सगळ्या गोष्टी खरं तर सुरू झाल्या, आणि मी असं म्हटलं होतं की कोणत्याही वादापेक्षा आणि कुठच्याही भांडणापेक्षा महाराष्ट्र मोठा आहे. आज जवळपास 20 वर्षानंतर मी आणि उद्धव
any kind of difference is very small when it comes to the benefit of Maharashtra. And after 20 years, I have come together on this stage.
जे माननीय बाळासाहेबांना जमलं नाही, जे अनेकांना जमलं नाही, आम्हाला दोघांना एकत्र आणायचं, ते देवेंद्र फडणवीसला जमलं.
This difference was not accepted by Balasaheb Thackeray and neither to us.
आता बऱ्याच सगळे चॅनल्सचे सगळे कॅमेरे तिकडे लागले, इकडे लागले, इकडे लागलेत. आता संध्याकाळी सगळं सुरू होईल. आता
All news channels have gathered.
काय वाटतं, काय दोघांची बॉडी लँग्वेज
And by
कशी
today
होती?
evening, all channels will start.
कोणी कमी हसलं का, कोणी जास्ती हसलं
Analyzing
का,
our body
कोणी बोलतायत
languages.
का?
Somebody will say
आपल्याकडे मूळ
we had
विषय सोडून इतर
less
गोष्टींमध्ये
smiles. Somebody will
फार
say we
रस
had more
असतो
smiles.
अनेकांना.
And did we speak amongst ourselves? But
खरं
the
तर
main
आजचा हा
issue
मेळावा
is left behind.
मोर्चालाही तीच घोषणा होती, आजच्या मेळाव्यालाही तीच घोषणा. कुठचाही
Now today this
झेंडा नाही.
gathering,
मराठी हाच अजेंडा.
it was said to be a rally, but now it is a celebration without any political.
माझ्या मराठीकडे, माझ्या महाराष्ट्राकडे वेळा
banners.
नजरेने पाहायचं नाही कोणी.
Nobody should have a bad eye onto my Maharashtra and onto this rally.
ठरलं ना आपलं सगळ्यात शेवटी द्यायच्या घोषणा. बसा, शांत बसा.
Raj Thackeray
खरं तर हा
tried to
प्रश्नच
boost the
आला ठाई
morals
होता, काही गरजच नव्हती.
by stating you must be tired by
कुठून
raising
अचानक
those
हिंदीचं
slogans.
आलं मला काही कळलं नाही मला.
There was no need of raising this question or imposing Hindi. I did not
Hindi?
understand why this sudden imposition was done.
कोणासाठी हिंदी? त्या लहान लहान मुलांवरती जबरदस्ती करताय
And
तुम्ही.
Hindi, why this Hindi was imposed? For whom? For this
कोणाला विचारायचं नाही.
small kids.
शिक्षण
Why was
तज्ञाला
it
काही
forced onto
विचारायचं नाही,
them?
कोणाला काही विचारायचं नाही. बस आमची सत्ता आहे, आमच्याकडे बहुमत आहे.
You did not ask anyone. You just thought you have your power, we have the
ती विधान
power,
भवनात.
and we just took the decision. If you have the power,
आमच्याकडे
ती
सत्ता
विधान
आहे रस्त्यावर.
then we have power on streets.
एक पत्र लिहिलं, 2 पत्र दिली, नंतर ते दादा
I
भुसे
wrote a
माझ्याकडे
letter.
आले. मला म्हणाले की
And later Dada Bhushe
आम्ही
came
काय
to me.
म्हणतो एवढं
Dada Bhushe
समजून तर
happens to
घ्या.
be the school education minister of Maharashtra.
एवढं काय म्हणतो, एवढं ऐकून तर घ्या.
And he asked me,
म्हटलं दादा तुम्हाला एक
But
गोष्ट
at least
सांगतो.
listen to
तुम्ही
us
काय
what we are
सांगता ते
saying.
ऐकून घेईन पण ऐकणार नाही.
I told him, I'll listen to
मराठीच्या
you,
विषयामध्ये
but I will not accept it.
त्याच्यात तुम्ही तिसरी भाषा लादताय. त्रिभाषा सूत्र, कुठलं त्रिभाषा सूत्र आणलं? त्रिभाषा सूत्र ज्या
What kind of three language policy is this?
सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट
When this
आणि राज्य सरकार,
policy was
केंद्र सरकार आणि राज्य सरकार
Were
यांच्यामधल्या
introduced, it came from
दुव्यासाठी
central
म्हणून हे
government.
त्रिभाषा सूत्र फक्त आणलं. आज कोर्टात आहे नाही, तुम्ही हायकोर्टात जा, सुप्रीम कोर्टात जा, इंग्रजीमध्ये सगळ्या गोष्टी होतात. कुठे आहे त्रिभाषा
this
सूत्र?
policy was to establish communication between state
तुम्हाला
and
सांगायला
central.
लागले म्हणे केंद्रीय शिक्षण धोरणामध्ये, त्या धोरणातही नाही.
How is it High Court
केंद्राच्या
functioning?
शिक्षण धोरणात इतर कोणत्या
Is
राज्यात
there any third language policy there? There is no third language into any other state.
दक्षिणेची राज्यात आहे, हिंग लावून विचारत नाही त्यांना.
But why it was introduced in Maharashtra?
पण महाराष्ट्र ज्या वेळेला पेटून
Speak to
उठतो
nobody.
त्यावेळेला
You
काय
ask
घडतं
nobody.
आणि काय होतं हे आज राज्यकर्त्यांना समजलं असेल.
But when Maharashtra
त्याशिवाय
arises,
माघार घेतली.
what happens and what can happen, this we have shown today.
विनाकारण आणलेला विषय होता. मी त्याशी त्या भोसेला सांगितलं, म्हटलं मला सांगा उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार,
Without any
राजस्थान,
reason, this dispute was
Pradesh.
created.
कोणती तिसरी भाषा आणणार आहे?
Including Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, the language policy also seems to have found a mention on Raj Thackeray, who of course has been speaking in Marathi, addressing the people then and apologizing, as it seems that the entire ground seems to be small enough to actually have all of the people there who seems to be also waiting eagerly for the cousins to unite on the occasion, which is now being marked as a Marathi Vijay Divas. Now on stage, the camaraderie, Nilesh, that can be seen. If you can just quickly, put it together and summarize what Raj Thackeray has been saying.
Willis, the Raj Thackeray speech has finally begun. A massive number of individuals, supporters have gathered outside, in and outside of the Worli Dome. What Raj Thackeray in his speech as of now has conveyed is that the third language policy, which was introduced for the state of Maharashtra, was an unnecessary dispute that was created. Where the state feels it has power into the assembly, but we, leaders from MNS and Uddhav Thackeray, have power on the streets. That is, our party workers are our real strength, and we do not need power into
Raj
the
Thackeray is currently speaking. After that, Uddhav Thackeray, who is expected to speak on the stage, joining together, of course, Marathi Vijay Diwas, that is now being marked by the estranged cousins. But is it only on the issue of Marathi? Do we actually see them coming together, united for other issues as well? That time will tell. Back after a short break.